Good afternoon, Niagara Wheatfield families. I'm Mr. Lonich Superintendent, and today I'm joined by Mr. Stack, our Assistant Superintendent, and we're here to talk to you today about some updated information related to COVID-19. First, it's important to note that there's been a change in the quarantine time. You may be aware that this adjustment's been made by both the New York State Department of Health and the Niagara County Department of Health. The mandatory quarantine period is now 10 days. It used to be 14 days. The Niagara County Department of Health encourages those in quarantine to get tested, wear a mask, and avoid high-risk individuals. As always, you are encouraged to contact your primary care provider with questions about your own health and on managing symptoms.
On the health department and their quote look back period. When contact tracing, the New York State Department of Health and the Niagara County Department of Health use a 48-hour look back period to determine who is included for proximate contact consideration. Typically, the health department establishes a look back period from either the start of symptoms or to the test date of the infected individual to begin the timeline for the quarantine period.
Proximate contact is an important term everybody should be aware of by now. The Niagara County Department of Health views each day in the 48-hour window separately. Individuals in contact with a COVID-19 positive individual for 60 minutes of cumulative time in the daily period are subject to quarantine.
We are asking our Niagara Wheatfield family for assistance. And the way that you can help us is by wearing masks, remaining socially distant whenever possible, avoid spending 60 minutes or more with individuals whenever possible. Be cognizant of your surroundings when not in a controlled environment like our schools. And be sure to avoid congregate settings to help keep our schools open.
We want to thank our school community for the way they've responded during this crisis. It certainly hasn't been easy, and we do have one more thing we'd like to say. Go Bills.
Go Bills.
Have a great weekend, everyone.
Have a great weekend.